Hi, welcome to the new section of part modeling. As we have covered the two-dimensional sketching in Creo, and we have learned all the options, and we have seen what are the different ways to create different shapes of sketches. Now with that knowledge in our mind, let us move on to the 3D modeling. So from this section onwards, we will be discussing all the cases of modeling with respect to three-dimensional designing or modeling. Okay. So in this video, let me just try to show you how do I open the part modeling section in Creo Parametric. So in order to do that, I have to go to the extreme left hand side of this ribbon and I have to select the new or create new model. So when I'm clicking on the new, I will be having this window, and this was the same process what we were following in the earlier case when we were sketching the two-dimensional layouts. Okay. So right now I have to choose. By default you can see that part model is selected and the solid model is selected. So we have to go with this two itself. We have to see that we are selecting the part model, and in the subtype we have to see that the solid model is selected. The sheet model and the bulk type are other different cases. So right now we have to work with part and solid type. And as soon as when we are confirmed that these two are selected, we just need to write the name of the model that we are going to create. So I will be writing it as sample, and we have two options right now. We can directly press OK and go to the part model, and the thing is, this option is selected right now, that is use default template. So this indicates that the default as per the default settings of Creo, the dimensioning of Creo will be in inches generally. So if we are okay to work with that dimensioning, we need not untick this one and we can directly press OK and continue. But right now I want to work in mm, right, millimeters. So I will be just unticking this one or unselecting, and after unselecting I have to press OK. One second, I'll just type the other name because sample is already used earlier. So I'll just show you what was the problem right now. Before this video, I was just trying a sample case. So in that case also I have typed sample as the name of a practice session. So just let me delete that one. I have clicked on erase not displayed and that has been deleted. So let me just try to open again. And now let me just try to see that part is selected and the solid type is selected. Now let me type on sample. I'm going to unselect this option because I want the dimensions to be mm, and now let me see what happens. There it is. I didn't get any error message stating that sample is already used, right? So whenever you're getting this kind of messages, just try to go to erase not displayed and delete the models and just press OK. It will be deleted and again create a new model. So right now you can see by default inches is selected over here, inches, pounds and seconds. So I have to change it to millimeter, newtons and seconds, part, solid. So this is the dimensioning that I will be using for creating my geometries. And if we are wanting to type anything, we can type, but it's not required. We can just directly press OK and we will be landed on the screen. So let us move to the next video.